Endless possibilities await. 1,025 square feet metal building in Hale, Missouri. Nestled in the quiet charm of the small rural town of Hale, Missouri, this 1,025 square feet metal building offers a unique opportunity for the right buyer. Whether you're looking to launch a small business, create a workshop, store equipment, or explore a variety of other uses, this versatile space is full of potential. The property is being sold as is, giving you a blank canvas to bring your vision to life. With durable metal construction and an open layout, the building can be easily customized to meet your needs. Located on a spacious lot with room for parking, expansion, or outdoor work areas, this property is ideal for entrepreneurs, hobbyists, or investors seeking affordable space in a peaceful rural setting. Highlights: 1,025 square feet metal building. Located in the heart of Hale, Missouri. Flexible space for storage, commercial, or personal use. Sold as is, bring your ideas and make it your